Yo, Zig, I'm just riding out here and just contemplating things, what's going on. That mower, I'm telling you, this time has came. It's came and passed. I'm sorry to say, I've done everything I can for it. Just don't see no resolution. Big John's just a little aggravated and concerned about the mower. And I just don't know what else to do. I tell you, I've serviced it, had it looked at. Still nothing I can do for it. It's tough on me. I'm not gonna lie. It really is. It's a tough break, Zig. So, therefore, tired of it. Shots fired, for real. All right, buddy.